Hello traders, it's me Krasmir Panayotov and we are back in the cold Russia. It's April here, but you can still see the snow. It's a very sunny day, very beautiful day. But it's still a bit colder. So, today I have been asked to make analysis on Euro CAD, and this is what you're about to see. Okay guys, let's start with the Euro CAD analysis. This is the daily chart, but I'm going to click quickly on the weekly just so you can see where I have put my support and resistance levels. Now I have drawn the most important levels right here on these previous tops. These tops are right here, and these lows, the second resistance. Now here we have all these lows right here and these previous highs. So this is gonna be my upper resistance. I think that these are the most important levels. Now there are some free sites where you can see your levels, where you can see the key levels, and they can give it to you for free. It's public information where the most orders are. So the next one is here, this ultimate low right here, and if we can see in the past we have some more here, and I believe even. In order to trade Euro CAD we have to also have the Euro USD and the USD CAD, because all these three pairs, they correlate with each other, like USD CAD. Now the USD CAD is in a very long-term downtrend, so it's understandable why the Euro CAD is falling down. Not only because USD CAD is going down, but also because Euro against the dollar is also going down. So let's go back to Euro CAD. This is the pair, guys, that is going like a waterfall to the downside. Here we had a consolidation box. Let's go back to daily chart so we can see. Here we had two important consolidations. One was here and the other one was here. How we trade the consolidations? We take the size of the consolidation. We see where is the breakout. Here we had first attempt, fail, pull back, again fail, return, retest of the consolidation, and then free fall. We take the size of the consolidation, we put it from the bottom of the consolidation, and we wait for the breakout. As the breakout is happening here, we can take profit at this. You enter a sale trade here and you take profit at the end of the consolidation. The same consolidation box, the size of the consolidation. Okay, so first profit was here, but it wasn't enough for the sellers and the price is selling off, like the Euro CAD, and so is the Euro GBP. If I can find it for you. Let's get it. Okay, you see free fall to the downside, the daily chart, free fall, nothing is stopping the downfall of the euro. Let's go back to this later. So we're going down. How much actually we're going down? We see the first resistances, one here which couldn't hold the price, the next one mini resistance is here, and the third one is here, already a much stronger resistance. So if the fall continues, then we're going definitely to this previous resistance, maybe even to this support level, a key level which is important and which can give us nice buying opportunity. For now it's too risky to trade this pair. Why? Because when we are in such a strong downtrend, we have a correction to the upside and a push to the downside. A small correction and again push to the downside. A small correction, push to the downside. Now what you see, it looks much more like a correction than a reversal. And what we can expect next? Of course, push to the downside. But also, if the price recovers to this resistance, try another attempt to push down but fails and stops somewhere here, and the bulls start taking control, then you have the head and shoulders in play, and you can observe the price going back higher, starting the reversal process. The first target will be these lows over here, and then the previous lows over here. Okay, that's if we see the double bottom like this, or the head and shoulders like I have shown you. We need some sort of pattern to see a reversal. Very seldom you can see just the price going back higher. Here, guys, another thing which can happen is the W pattern. Now, you don't need the same level on the W pattern. You can see a higher low and a lower low. To have the W pattern, you have the neckline, and after the breakout from the neckline, you have a move to the upside. Now, if I had to trade this, if here we break the price, I would set my target profits here and another one maybe at the weekly zone. But of course, this is too much ahead. For now, we are still looking very bearish, and I am not sure about any buying opportunities. Let's check out the 4-hour chart and see what we have there. Okay, let me show you again how works the flag pattern. You have a downtrend, a short consolidation going backwards, and then another push to the downside. This is the flag pattern. Now what you see here, the same pattern, you can observe it over and over in many different charts. You see it back here. Okay, the price consolidates for a while and then goes back in the direction of the trend. So here the same thing can happen, and we can see a push to the downside. So buyers, don't hurry up. Yes, here you break some of the short-term downtrends, but it's still too risky. In my case, I would wait the price to break this resistance and create the W pattern, or at least some head and shoulders pattern, so I can have more than 50% chance by my side. Here, if we break a neckline, we have a chance to move higher. For now, I wouldn't take this trade, not bearish, not bullish, because as a bearish trade, it looks to me a bit oversold. For bullish trade, it's too early for me to enter a trade. I love to see a pattern or some serious signs of a bullish trend. Here you see the bulls are not that strong. We don't have these bullish massive engulfing signals that can really reverse the trend. So for now, I recommend you to stay out of this market. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video guys, and peace.